Hello class 11. This is the last video about complex number. I am discussing some rules of complex number that is most important for joint entrance examination. That is, if Z1, Z2, B2 complex numbers, then Z1 plus Z2 modulus less than equal to modulus Z1 plus modulus Z2, and Z1 minus Z2 less than equal to modulus Z1 plus modulus Z2, and greater than equal to modulus Z1 minus modulus Z2 whole modulus. Okay, I am explaining. Z1 minus Z2, this is equal to Z1 plus minus Z2 less than equal to modulus Z1 plus modulus Z2. Modulus Z2, this is equal to Z2. So I can write it modulus Z1 plus modulus Z2. Okay, and again since modulus Z1, this is equal to Z1 minus Z2 plus Z2 less than equal to Z1 minus Z2 plus Z2. Z1 minus Z2 plus Z2. Therefore, Z1 minus Z2, this is greater than equal to modulus Z1 minus modulus Z2. And modulus Z2 equal to modulus Z2 minus Z1 plus Z1, that is equal to, that is less than equal to Z2 minus Z1 plus Z1. Therefore, Z2 minus Z1 greater than equal to Z2 minus Z1. So I can write it Z1 minus Z2 and Z2 minus Z1. That Z2 minus Z1, Z1 minus Z2. This is from 1 and this is 2. From 1 and 2, I can write it Z1 minus Z2 greater than equal to Z1 minus Z2 modulus. Okay, and if modulus Z plus 2 less than equal to 2, find the maximum and minimum value of mod Z. Mod Z equal to Z plus 2 minus 2. less than equal to mod z plus 2 plus this is equal to 2 plus that is 2 less than equal to 4. So the maximum value is 4 and the modulus of a complex number cannot be negative. Modulus of a complex number is cannot be negative. So the minimum value is 0. So the minimum value is 0. Okay. That means maximum value is 4 and minimum value is 0 since the modulus value is not negative. If modulus z plus 5 less than equal to 6, find the maximum or minimum value of modulus z plus 2, maximum and minimum value of that modulus z plus 2. Modulus z plus 2, this is equal to z plus 5 minus 3 less than equal to z plus 5 plus minus 3, 6 plus 3 that is equal to 9. So 9 is the maximum value. Okay. Since the modulus value is not negative, so minimum value is 0 and this is the maximum value. I hope you will understand the problem easily. So I am ending here.